Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shimmery and Glittery. Flowers and garlands have been an essential part of our celebrations. Strings of garlands are used for decoration during functions and festivals. And interestingly, I used it to decorate the gift hamper. And I made all these with these cloth pieces. Let me show you how. To begin with, cut an oval shape of 2 by 6 cm on a cardboard piece. We'll take this as a reference to cut our petals from the fabric pieces. Polyester fabric works best for this type of garland. Stack a pin so that the fabric holds together. Now cut the fabric with reference to the cardboard we had already made. Similarly, now cut all the different colors of cloth that you will be using. Now we will give the petal shape to these pieces of cloth. We will be using a candle to slightly burn off the edges. It will give the shape of a petal. After all this preparation, now is the time to make the garland. Fold the petal into half. Now fold it towards the outer half. Similarly from the other side. Basically it needs 3 folds like we make a paper fan. Got it? This will result in a beautiful garland. You can also make multiple lengths of these and use it as a decor during festivals or special occasions like marriages, mehndi function, etc. Our garland is ready, friends. Doesn't it look like a real flower garland? Who can say it's actually made up of fabric? You can make many strings of the garland and use it as a decor during functions and festivals, for worship and prayers, decorating gift basket. What else can you think of? How was the video, friends? Your comments and suggestions are always awaited. If you like my video, give a thumbs up. Remember to share and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest and Twitter by the name Shimmery and Glittery. Gifting made beautiful with Shimmery and Glittery. Thank you.